Well, that sucks. That stupid holder just snapped. So now I have to be the holder again. Remember how hard that was when I was doing those ones? This is the one that's really in the way. It's got to go. It totally blocks me. So I'm going to back up. Give it a little shove. Oh my God. There we go. It gives me a couple more feet. That should get it out of the way. See, I can't sit here and hold it because I'm not paying attention to what you guys are seeing. You're like, what the fuck? And the place they made to hold the cell phone in here is not big enough for my cell phone. And it literally sees nothing. Well, this video is probably worthless. All you get to see is driving up the road as long as I hold it. Anyway, I'm gonna go get that tree up there that I'm headed to. And you guys don't get no more videos, sorry. Alright, let's get her going. Plowing a little snow today. This stupid thing don't want to stay here. Damn piece of shit. Whoops, can't say that. Let's see. The pieces keep rattling loose, you know. Anyway, I'm making it. There we go. So, yeah, stay where I want it. It keeps just falling over. It's so stupid. See how loose that is? It just freaking moves around. It's like, oh, click.